was raining when you left me in the city. And that windshield wiping takes a long, long drive. Every roadside puddle filling up with sweet, sad wonder. It was raining when you left me, I recall. Now I don't know what went wrong. Every single blue-eyed radio song is yours tonight. I was raining on the night you said you loved me. In that little country cottage on the hill. You remember lying in our bed and you heard thunder. That was raining, I remember, even still. Now I don't know where you are. Clouds have covered all our stars and I can't see their light. So I'll walk these streets alone. I just can't seem to find a home without you in my heart. Now it's raining, hear that lonesome waterfall.